Hey everyone, thanks for coming back. And on this channel, we do a little bit of everything. Savory, sweet, and now cocktails. Got a ton of mint growing in my garden. So what better way to use this mint than make mojitos? Really hot out, nothing better than a nice mojito. Key to this cocktail is nice, fresh mint. There's nothing better than nice, fresh mint. This is so easy to grow. Last year, I planted a little bit of mint in some pots, and now this year, it's overflowing. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pick the mint leaves off here, get it in our glass for our mojito. So, we got everything we need right here. Got our fresh mint. I like to use 10 to 14 sprigs of mint. That's a good amount of mint leaves to give our mojito some nice mint flavor. Got a lime. Got a tool to squeeze the juice from our lime. This one's for lemons, but I don't see the point to buy one for a lime and a lemon when a lime fits inside the one for the lemon. So why do you need two different tools for two different fruits where you could just use the larger one for both the lemon and the lime? Just didn't make sense to me to buy both, but all right, I'm rambling on here. All right, let's keep going. You got some simple syrup. I made this. Simple syrup's just equal parts sugar to water. Put it on the stove top, bring it to a boil to dissolve, and then cool it down. I like to use simple syrup as opposed to caster sugar, which I've seen a lot of recipes call for, because I don't think the caster sugar dissolves well in the cocktail and you get like that gritty texture. Some people like that gritty texture, which is fine, but I like the simple syrup. Tom Collins glass, which is the traditional glass for the mojito. Some nice white rum. Gotta have white rum. And some seltzer. That's all our ingredients. Some people like to use 7-Up, which is fine. If you want to use 7-Up, that's fine. I've seen some people say, oh, you can't use 7-Up, you have to use seltzer. I don't understand that. If you prefer 7-Up or Sprite, whichever, use Sprite. On this channel, I'm not about telling people what you have to do and what you don't have to do. I just show you the way that I like to do it, and if you like something else, that's no problem. I'm open to trying that as well. The next time I make a mojito, I'll try it with Sprite. No big deal. A muddling tool to take out all the oils from our mint. A jigger so we know exactly how much alcohol and syrup we're putting in. Nice tool to stir our cocktail when it's all incorporated. And a knife for our lime. First things first, take the mint leaves off here. So, get all that mint in our glass. Muddle it down just a bit, just to release the oils. That's it. You don't want to go too crazy. We don't want to break up the mint. We don't want to destroy the mint. We just want to take out the oils in the mint to really amplify the flavor. Plenty of ice in our glass. And for our rum, 1.5 ounces. Good white rum. Pour that in. We'll take half a lime. Get all of that. And with the rest of that lime, I like to just cut a little wheel to keep as a garnish. And then we have some extra mint for a garnish as well. So now we'll put 1 ounce of our simple syrup. And then we'll just top it off with our seltzer. And we pretty much have a mojito. Again, if you want to use that Sprite, that's fine. Right to the top with our seltzer. And we'll give that a nice stir. Get some of that mint off the bottom of our glass to come up. So we get all that mint flavor in the cocktail. Also, visually looks better to have that mint throughout the glass, like so. Take our lime wheel, and then we have our mint, and then with the mint, like we muddled the mint for the cocktail, just give it a slap, just to release those oils. We got one good looking mojito right there. There's a straw in there. That's a nice looking cocktail right there. That's refreshing. That's it. Simple as that. Make a mojito. Grow your own mint so you can make as much of these as you want. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. We put out new videos every week. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.